So today we're going to be making a Victoria sponge cake with strawberry jam, and this is what you're going to need. First, I'm going to put 250 grams of caster sugar into a bowl and 250 grams of butter. You want the butter to be at room temperature. Then you want to melt it in the microwave for about 10 seconds and add it to your sugar. You want to mix it with a whisk until it's light and fluffy. Next, we're going to add 4 eggs individually until it looks like this. We're going to add 250 grams of self-raising flour and then fold it. We're going to add a third, then mix it, add another third and mix it, and add another third and mix it until you get this consistency. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're then going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and giving it all a big mix. Next, we're going to grease the cake tins, and I'm using the leftover of the butter wrapper so the cake doesn't stick to the tin. Next, we're going to pour the cake mix into the tins. We're going to try to be even, but if one's bigger than the other, it doesn't really matter. I think it gives a good contrast. But we're going to put it in the tin and smooth it out as level as possible. We're going to put that into the oven for 180 degrees for 25 minutes. While the cake bakes, we're going to be making its filling, and I'm using double cream here and whipping it up. You can use an electric whisk or use it by hand until you get to this consistency. Next, I'm going to get the jam ready, and I'm going to use Tesco's unsweetened strawberry jam and add rose water to it, and then going to smooth it out in a small mixing bowl. Once your cake is ready, you can take it out of the oven and take it out of its tin. You want it to be cool before you do this, and then use not a knife like I just did. Use a spatula or anything flat to take out your cake. Flipping one of the cakes upside down and putting it into a plate so we can apply our strawberry jam and spread it all over, then apply fresh strawberries in the base. You can add as many as you want, but I like it covered. Once that is done, I'm going to use the whipped cream and put it over the strawberries and spreading it out before I put my cake layer on top. For the final touch, I'm going to mix caster sugar and icing sugar and sprinkle it on top from a sieve and top it up with 2 strawberries for decoration. And that's it, we're done. This is my take on Victoria sponge cake. It's easy, quick and delicious. It's one of my favourite cakes and it's a classic. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you want to see more of this, then let me know. Like, comment, share and subscribe. If you do this take on Victoria sponge cake, then let me know and I can see your recreations. All of the ingredients will be listed below in the description bar. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. For now, I'm going to go and enjoy my cake. Bye.